Easter Sunday. I'm through with all my work all night last night. Hey, y'all do a couple interactive songs? Huh? All right. Oh, isn't this good? Come on, y'all can do better than that. Come on. Come on, even you big people. Come on, yo, sir. Here we go. Come on, y'all can do it too. Come on. Yo, you, sir, come on. All right, other way, other way. All right, now you definitely already get it. Oh, we lost one. All right, here we go, kids. Back up, line up. Y'all ready? Here we go. Okay, now I think it's time to speed it up. Oh, speed it up. You ready? Don't speed it up. Oh. Yo, sir, come on, you ready?
You put your right foot in, you put your right foot out, you put your right foot in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your left foot in, you put your left foot out, you put your left foot in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your right hand in, you put your right hand out, you put your right hand in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your left hand in, you put your left hand out, you put your left hand in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. Well, that's what it's all about. You put your head in, you put your head out, you put your head in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. You put your whole self in, you put your whole self out, you put your whole self in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. what it's all about.
All right, give yourself another. Come down. You're out. You're out. Just kidding. That was a practice round. All right, it's your lucky day. All right. Simon says, raise your right hand only. Do I swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth? Just kidding. All right. Simon said, put your right hand back down. All right. Simon said, raise both your hands. Simon said, lower both your hands. Simon said, raise both your hands. Simon said, lower both your hands. Simon said, raise both your hands. Simon said, lower hands. Not confused, Emma. All right. Simon said, raise both feet off the ground at the same time while standing up. Just kidding. All right. Simon says, laugh out loud. Hey, what's so funny? All right, Simon says, stop. All right, you hurt my big old bunny ears. All right. Simon says, scream. All right, Simon says, jump up and down. All right, Simon says, stop. I'm getting a little tired of that. All right, Simon says, take your right hand, go like this. Simon says, take your left hand and go like this. Simon says, take your right hand, go like this. Like this. We ain't doing a mockery in here. But give him a big round for going so far, buddy. Hey, Simon said, give him a big round. You're out. All right. Easter Bunny said, raise both your hands. We're not playing Easter Bunny. So we're playing Simon said. But Simon's not here. That's on that trick one. All right. Simon said, raise both your hands. Simon said, lower both your hands. Simon said, raise both your hands. Simon said, lower both your hands. Raise both your hands. Y'all all around. That means y'all all are time for dead. Y'all all tired. All right. For dead last. All right. Oh, look, bunny ears. That's good to see over here. And did everybody like what I brought you this last night? Early this morning? Did you like that big 12-inch bunny chocolate Holla Enfield? Hi. Did you like what I bought you, Michelle? What about you, Dave? Did you like what I bought you?
Where did I get that?
Huh?
Because you know so much and how much money you have.
Everybody knows. All right. Hey, our last thing we're going to do is our bunny hop song. Do you know how to do the bunny hop song? All right. Y'all just follow me and follow the person in front of you, all right? All right. So let me see. If y'all want to start getting in one big line, everybody behind each other, we're going to go marching all around the perimeter here, around the oak trees, all right? All right. If y'all want to start getting in one big line, line up over here, make it go down that way over here. Around the corner this way. Even you big people, come on.
They're following you, Bunny.
Biggest bunny hop. Yo, sir. You don't, it'll be good exercise, all right? All right, everybody line up behind me. Line up behind me. Behind me this way. Over here. Everybody, even all the parents and grandparents, aunts, uncles, friends, relatives, New Orleans' finest staff, line up behind me. Right over this way. Behind me. One person behind another person. As soon as everybody's lined up, we're going to go on the bunny hop song.
Okay, don't move, Mr. Bunny. I'll get it.
Go that way.